Creatine monohydrate oral powder is commonly used to improve exercise performance and increase muscle strength. It is also used for muscle disorders such as McArdle's disease, Parkinson's disease, and heart failure. However, it is important to consult with a doctor before using this product, especially for conditions like heart failure, as it can cause or worsen serious health problems if not used properly. Creatine is a natural substance found in the body, mostly in the muscles, and it helps to provide energy to the muscles. It is important to note that some herbal or diet supplement products may contain harmful impurities or additives, so it's always best to check with your pharmacist for more details about the specific brand you are using. When it comes to dosage and timing, it is recommended to follow the guidance of a healthcare professional. It is important to consult with a doctor or pharmacist for more details about the safety and effectiveness of this product before use. Take the creatine monohydrate oral powder by mouth as directed. Make sure to follow all the directions and warnings on the product package. If you have any questions, it's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist. Be sure to measure the dose carefully using a special measuring device or spoon, and avoid using a household spoon as it may not provide the correct dose. It's important to drink plenty of water while using this product, unless your doctor advises otherwise. If your condition doesn't improve or worsens, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical help immediately. Some common side effects of creatine monohydrate oral powder include nausea, upset stomach, or diarrhea. If these effects persist or worsen, it is important to consult your doctor or pharmacist. Serious side effects that should be reported to your doctor immediately include muscle cramps, reduced ability to tolerate heat, symptoms of dehydration, and signs of kidney problems. Very serious side effects that require immediate medical attention include seizures. While rare, a serious allergic reaction to this product may occur. Seek medical help right away if you experience symptoms such as rash, itching or swelling of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects not listed above. As for the best time to take creatine monohydrate oral powder, it is recommended to consume it either before or after a workout. The typical daily dosage is 5 grams, but it's important to follow the specific instructions provided on the product packaging. Before taking creatine monohydrate oral powder, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other problems. Before using this product, make sure to discuss your medical history with your doctor or pharmacist, especially if you have kidney disease, liver disease, or diabetes. If you are using a liquid form of this product, it may contain sugar and/or alcohol, so it's important to use caution if you have diabetes, alcohol dependence, or liver disease. Make sure to ask your doctor or pharmacist about using this product safely. It's important to note that children may be more sensitive to the effects of this product, and it is not recommended for use during pregnancy. It's always best to consult with your doctor for more details. Additionally, it is unknown if this product passes into breast milk, so it is not recommended to use this product while breastfeeding. Make sure to consult your doctor before breastfeeding if you are using this product. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions when taking creatine monohydrate oral powder. Some medications can affect how this product works or increase the risk of serious side effects. It's crucial to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Be sure to consult with your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medications. Specifically, drugs that may harm the kidneys, such as NSAIDs like ibuprofen or naproxen, as well as water pills like hydrochlorothiazide, may interact with this product. Additionally, creatine monohydrate oral powder may interfere with certain lab tests, such as kidney function tests, potentially causing false results. It's important to inform lab personnel and all your doctors that you are using this product. When taking creatine monohydrate oral powder, it's best to consult with your healthcare provider for the appropriate daily dosage and the optimal timing for consumption. If you suspect an overdose and the person is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. In the U.S., you can reach your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. Medical professionals may request lab tests, particularly for kidney function, while you are using creatine monohydrate oral powder. It is important to attend all scheduled medical appointments and follow up with your doctor for any additional information. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed one. Take the next dose at your regular time. Don't take double the dose to make up for the missed one. Make sure to check the storage information on the package and ask your pharmacist if you have any questions. Keep all medications and herbal products out of reach of children and pets. Do not dispose of this product in the toilet or drain unless instructed. Properly discard the product when it is expired or no longer needed, and consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.